Welcome to a demonstration of Photo Resizer Pro text annotation feature. What you see on top is a beautiful Harley Davidson motorbike, and at the bottom some text was added. I will now show you how that was done. In your Windows Explorer, find this image and right click it and then select Photo Resizer Pro from the menu. Once it's open, there's a button on top, a little man with a number 2 and an arrow. That would be the annotation. Let's maximize this window. And here you have it. So first thing we'll do is we'll say let's show it full view and then scale all the buttons and text to adjust itself with the number you've scaled it with. This helps for big images. Okay, so first thing we'll do is we'll write some text here and we'll say old Harley. Like that, and let's set the pen width to 4. Pen color can stay blue, or let's change it just for the sake of change to brown. And let's make an arrow. So we'll put the cursor down on the tank and drag it outward, and when we release it we will see that it's written there, old Harley. But that doesn't look good at all. So let's delete it. Go to text and find the bold text that's nice and big, and let's do that again. That's a lot better, but the arrows are not good, so our colors are wrong. Let's choose a brighter color. This blue was actually not bad. Okay, that's one way of doing it. When it's there, you can move the arrow around, or you can move the box what you want. Another feature is to write with text only. Let's put it here in the bottom. This bike is running well since 1942. Okay, and then once again select the little hand so we can move it around, and you can either drag it bigger or move it like that, and you'll see that the text will wrap. This is very handy. You can also go back and edit the text. This old bike is running well since 1942. Like that. And you can select to have a background. Write something there. And of course you can move it to where you want. You can also draw circles, and then once you've done that, drag them around a bit. You can draw lines, and like before, drag them around a bit. You can highlight things. You can add notes, you can delete, you can add a block with text with a blank background. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can set transparency. Let's write something transparent. Transparent. Let's drag that into the you can add a shadow, and you can change the shadow color to red, for example. Where can we write shadow? Shadow. Now it's transparent and with a shadow. So as you can see, there's a lot of things you can do, and have fun. Bye.